Vivan Smart Lighting. Want to upgrade your home lighting without the hassle of hiring an electrician? It's easy with the Vivant Smart Lighting. Just 2 easy steps. First, replace your regular light bulbs with advanced ones, then install the advanced switches on top of your existing ones, and voila, your system is ready to go. Now you can adjust the brightness smoothly, set up automatic lighting when you enter a room, and control your home's lighting remotely easily from your smartphone. To top it off, the company offers smart cameras with motion detectors and a controller that can connect up to 50 devices in one network without affecting your home Wi-Fi. The basic set, which includes 8 bulbs, 2 switches, and the controller, will cost you around $300. Dared. Introducing Dared, the new culture of body drying with flying cars, AI music, and delivery robots becoming a reality. It's time to upgrade the humble towel. 2 Dared lets you stand and enjoy the warm air, which not only saves 70 l of water that would have been used to wash towels, but also catches 98.9% of bacteria and viruses with its filter. It's perfect for pools, beaches, and other crowded places too. It's so easy to use that Julius Caesar would say. Stellar Lighting Stair Light Controller. Likely to miss a step once in every 2,222 occasions they use stairs. That's a fun fact courtesy of British scientists. They also discovered that the first 3 and the last 3 steps are the most dangerous, since we're usually not paying attention to them. But the company Stellar Lighting is taking stair safety seriously and offers a solution: backlighting with RGB tapes that work with motion sensors. The standard version can light up to 32 stairs and comes with extension cables that are 5 each. For convenience, you can adjust the brightness and speed of the lighting, and there's even a quick self-test function if you want. You can add a daylight sensor as an option, but all this bright innovation comes at a price. The controller alone will cost you $253. Versa Lift. Let's be real, most garages are a mess. Sure, the car fits, but who knows what's lurking in the corners. It's not uncommon for garages to become a weird mix of storage space and junkyard, but it's time to put an end to that. The creators of Versa Lift are here to help you get organized. This lift is perfect for garages with AEX. You just load up the platform with your stuff and send it up, and then neatly arrange it. The Versa Lift can also be used in homes with basement storage units and more. It comes in 2 models that can hold either 91 or 113 kilograms, and the price ranges from $2,795 to organized space. Total Lifting Solutions Car Lift. Remember the show Pimp My Ride, where they turn old beat-up cars into custom masterpieces with things like screens in the trunk? Well, Total Lifting Solutions could have a similar show, but for car lifts. A typical request they might get is from someone who has a garage and a bowling alley in their house and wants to be able to admire their sports cars while they're bowling. The results of tier work are already on the screen, and they can even design projects with travel capability of up to 18 and install lifts for helicopters. Zephyr Lift is a unique Zephyr Lift downdraft kitchen vent. Downdraft kitchen vents that's perfect if you don't have room for a traditional hood. The cool thing about the Zephyr Lift is that it moves up and down, so you can save space by keeping it hidden when you're not cooking. It can go up to 46 cm high. The Zephyr Lift has 2 levels of LED lights to keep things bright for late night cooking sessions, and thanks to its 3 air capture zones around the edges, it can easily handle a couple of pots or pans at once. When the filter needs to be clean, the Zephyr Lift will let you know, but it's not advanced enough to help with the bill. Luckily, the seller is currently offering a discount, so the final price for the 76 cm wide vent is iSmart $1,800. If we compare smart home systems to cars, then iSmart systems are like supercars. They're so good you won't want to go to anyone else. iSmart's engineers will take into account all the features of your space, from floor heating and air conditioning to fire safety and pool maintenance, and then combine them into one easy-to-use control system. If you've tried something similar before but it didn't work, well, iSmart's experts can even fix it at the software level. They can also work on commercial spaces like warehouses and hotels. With a card, you can save up to 30% on your electricity bill, increase the value of your building, and keep it in perfect condition. Who wouldn't want that? The Independence PS21 is the Freedom Stove's Independence PS21 pellet stove flagship stove from Freedom Stoves. It's a pellet stove with Wi-Fi and a lot of heating capacity. The PS21 can heat a home up to 167 sm, or just one small room if you adjust the settings with the smartphone app. If you're worried about power outages, you can add a couple of 12-volt batteries to the stove, and if you care about style, the creators have made it easy to add any ceramic tile with a square shape and a side of 30.5 centimeters to the side walls. Plus, the stove can run for up to 2 hours on one load of pellets. All of these features come at a price, though. The PS21 costs $2,200. The engineers at Smarter Home are Smarter Home Charge Drop Always coming up with new ideas there. Latest one is a universal charger called Charge Drop that attack ES to the ceiling of your garage. It's a 12 VT 3 amp charger that can hold up to 7.6 m of cable and a battery. It can be used for all kinds of equipment from ATVs to cars. It also works with lead acid batteries. In standard AGM and gel versions, the Charge Drop comes with alligator clips, and if you connect something incorrectly, a red light will blink. You can buy the Charge Drop for $157, and the mounted attach matches to is universal, so it can be used with other smarter home products like a winch. The Chinese government has Powder Watts announced that they'll be able to create snow in 56% of the country by next year. This is great news for Powder Watts, an American company, because they know that a lot of snow can be tough on roofs. That's why they've created a smart heat cable controller that can reduce electricity costs by 90%. This means that on average you could save between $100 and $400 each month. The controller has a double camera that can see the snow and turn on the heat cables at the perfect moment. Plus, it's nice for the homeowner to have a clean roof. The control is powered by a 4-amp-hour battery that can last up to 6 months and is recharged by a solar panel. The best part is that it can work with heat cables that are already installed.